Strong Mag. 5.3 earthquake, Arabian Sea, Yemen, on Tuesday, April 4, 2023 at 2 a.m. local time, according to the United States Geological Survey (GFZ) reported. Updated April 4, 2023 0:45 Greenwich Mean Time 18 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. Our monitoring service identified a second report from the Citizen Seismograph Network of Raspberry Shake which listed the quake at magnitude 5.5 as well. SOQATRADHOFAR. Strong magnitude 5.3 earthquake at 10 kilometers depth.